reaching the days of Rosh Hashanah, biggest days of the year. We're finally going to be judged for all our actions, whether we did good or bad. Hashem's going to take it with us, and we're going to be judged for the rest of the year. Sometimes it can be a little discouraging how we have a lot of sins, and we feel like there's no coming back. There's no cleaning it up. But really, as long as someone does tshuva and you want it, Hashem will clean it up for you. I heard a nice story to go along with this. It's a true story. There was a newlywed couple, and the wife decided, our first week married, I want to make something beautiful for my husband. I'm going to make the perfect cholent. She added beans, a lot of spices, meat, potatoes. It was going to be amazing. But what she didn't know is that when you put the crock pot on a stove, that's when things go bad. And it was there for a few hours on a Friday, and then it blew up. The whole kitchen was filled with cholent. Everything was ruined. She's on the floor crying, thinking she's done for. What is my husband going to say? How can I clean all this up? Husband walks in and he says, don't worry, honey, I got it. I'll clean it all up. This is what Hashem does for us. He tells us, right, when we sin, I'll clean it all up. Don't worry. As long as we decide in our heart that we want to change, we want to become better, Hashem will do the rest. All it takes is just effort, a will, and Hashem will make it clean as if it was never even there.